2019, almost brand new Chevy Camaro SS. Black on black, convertible. Has only 5,000 miles. Clean. What size rims are? Look at that. Let's see. You can see here. It runs. Believe it or not, this thing hit the deer. I'll open the hood. Can't run it for too long, so you don't get overheated. I'll show you the interior real quick too. Nice. Both sound system, nice ones. All good airbags. Leather interior, really nice. Nice finish. Leather seats, cool. There's that. Navigation screen, all that stuff. Loaded. Where's the hood release? Right here. Okay, let's see. Headlights survived. Hood survived as well. That thing hit the deer, so we already washed it, but the deer was everywhere, like every spot. Meat and all the leftovers from the deer were here. But look, that thing runs good. Here, that's a piece of a deer. Here we go. Little end gonna eat. Little piece right here. Where's the little end? Oh, right here. You got a piece of. Did you get a piece of deer? All right. Yeah, but you can tell, like it's like the dirt and everything. This is the deer. There's like hair everywhere. So and that thing, like, look how it smashed it. It's really destroyed the car. This probably was like a huge deer. But lights. Look at that. Light survived. Huh? Nice. Here we go. Engine runs nice, smooth right here. So yeah, believe it or not, that was a deer. And oops, we got some kind of noise there. I'm not sure what is that. But yeah, that was a deer. Deer. Look at that. But headlights survived, fenders survived. The radiator support is a little bit up, but we're gonna pull it out. So all the cradle is good. So we're gonna have all the coolant system, radiator condensers and fans and all that stuff. Some brackets, bumper cover, and you know what? This is a brand new thing. Brand new. So all the parts gonna go from dealer. Cool. I got the coolant start steaming, so I have to rush to the shop right here. I just wanted to show you real quick that the damages right here is really nothing. Going on inside, let's see. Alright, we still got temperature under control. Everything is fine. All the controls over here on the steering. All the heated seats, ventilated seats, clean seats. Took it apart a little bit, but I believe we have all the parts here. Nice. There was one option over here on the key, which I would like to try. Here, you're supposed to be able to open the roof from pushing the button. Let's see.